So the winner of this contest is Hello everyone. So I welcome all of you to the review session of the creative contest which is happening in Madlux VFX YouTube channel, and this is especially for the July month contest. I really want to congratulate Krishnadas and Sandeep for this amazing rendered output. I am little sad because I was expecting much more competition in this creative contest, but it's okay. Let's proceed with the review right now. Before that, I just want to admit one more thing. I have consulted with 3 fellow compositors and they reviewed all these rendered outputs. It will be a healthy criticism. I wish you will take this criticism in a positive way. So let's jump into the review. Okay, so here we have Sandeep's rendered output and let's see how this looks. This is great, man. I really liked it. The one thing which I want to tell first itself, your rendered result, not this. You just submitted an M4V format, which is kind of okay, but I have converted that into an EXR format here. But your 100th frame is corrupted, so please make sure your rendered results are not corrupted before you send that to the competition. So that is the first feedback which I would like to give you. The look of this shot is really amazing. You can see the change of environment and the lighting. You can see the change, right? Okay, so this is really awesome, man. I will just check here. Those glitchy moments are little weird. I would just tell to reduce this glitchy effects because it was so sharp. Initially I felt like this is because of the interlacing problems, but then I understood, okay, it's a glitchy effect you have put on this hologram, but I felt like it's little more, so you can reduce that little bit. I appreciate this idea of hologram, and the thing which I noticed, there is a weird dark edge around this hologram which doesn't suit for this hologram thing, so I really want you to reduce that or completely remove that. I don't know what is that, so that is yet another feedback. And one more thing is you can reduce the movement of this effect. You can see it is completely floating, so you can reduce the movement of this jitter effect for this hologram. That's it, and I really like how you created this environment. Okay, so you can see the reflection from this drawing board is on her face as well as this dress, so I really liked that, and I also liked how the continuity of hand is on the drawing, so this is really amazing. I like this light effects. See the difference in input and output. This is really awesome. I like this tint of blue color here, so I mean this rendered output is really great, man. I liked it. And let's come into the BG. The BG is entirely changed. I like this kind of retro effects and all these things, and you can see a lot of work has been done here. You can see a kind of a reflection or a kind of a specular detail here. Also you can see the lighting effects behind this glass, and oh yeah, I can see the rain here, man. I can see. Wow, that looks awesome. I really liked it. Those kind of lighting effects, and you have added something over here which is pretty awesome, man. I liked it. It is really composited well in this shot. I really like this rendered output because you have put a lot of effort. I don't know what all things you have done in After Effects, probably this thing, but overall the look of the shot is really amazing. So let's move into Krishnadas output and let's see what he states here. Okay, he matched the grain as well. Great, man. So let's play and see how the render looks like. I really like the look of the shot. So this shot is kind of a shot from a medieval period, I guess. The effort he has put on this shot is amazing. Okay, so from a comp perspective, I could see a lot of issues here, but overall this shot is looking great because of all this environment. Now we could see some mistakes here, like the hair details are so sharp, but just behind her we can see this throne which is kind of defocused. And again this becomes little focused, and this becomes a lot focused. Okay, so there are a lot of defocus mismatches, I would say, and the continuity as a drawing is not there, because she was doing something over here which I could see like there is nothing here. So I suggest you should have moved this drawing a little bit this side so that she can draw something in on our face or something like that. And you can see the edge problems here, a lot of edge problems are there. And also see the hair details are so sharp, and we can see the BG of the original input is traveling through the hair details. So we should have done some edge fixing here. And I could see some blue tint over here. I don't know, I guess it is from the input. We should do some CC over this edge of this lady. And the cape looks good, man. I really like the concept, but a simulation of this cloth or this cloth animation doesn't look so natural. It feels like a noise is animated using an ST map. I thought like that, but you have stated like this is done in Maya. But I really appreciate the effort, but a lot of things which can be improved over here. And talking about the contact shadows things, I can't find the contact shadow, or the contact shadow is missing over here, because she is sitting over here. We definitely need to see some shadow over here. So that ambient shadows are missing here. And other things which is pretty awesome, I like this entire look of the shot. You change the complete shot, man. I really like that. I don't know what is this things. This looks little weird, so we can remove that, or at least you should have blended this sharp line. Maybe this is part of the BG, but this looks little weird, like kind of an artifact in the BG. So you can blend this thing little bit. And as always, I want to appreciate your effort, man, because I know how visual effects artists are living, or how busy their daily life is. So taking some time for this kind of work, this kind of creative things will definitely improve your knowledge. So the main motive of myself for conducting this kind of creative contest is to let people explore new things and enhance their creativity as well. So I wish both of you will take this feedbacks as a constructive criticism. And I really want to see much more effort from you guys in the coming contests. So let's see who is the winner. So the winner of this contest is Sandeep Hota, and I congratulate you for this achievement. I also want to thank Krishnadas because his effort was so awesome, and I really wish to see much more participation in the coming contest. And if you guys like this kind of contest in our channel, please do comment in the video and let me know more about the contest feedbacks. So my final advice is like enhance your creativity and keep on learning. Bye bye. See you in another tutorial.